Trying to burn fat, reduce bloating, and boost digestion naturally? Here a simple herbal tea that does all that and more. This fenugreek tea is easy to make, smoothing, and support healthy weight loss from within. Ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, boost metabolism, control appetites, and reduce water retention. 1.5 cup water, hydrates and flush all toxins. Optional: half tablespoon honey or lemon juice for flavor and extra benefits. How to make it: soak 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, boil 1.5 cup of water, add the soaked seeds and water to the boiling water. Simmer for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Strain into a cup, add honey or lemon if desired. Sip it warm on an empty stomach for best results. And that's it. Your natural detox tea is ready. Drink it daily in the morning to help carb cravings, reduce bloating, and supports healthy digestion and fat burner. And if you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of videos do you want more. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.